that everybody goes to a better place. And not everybody knows that everybody could be living their last days. But the hard times will come, and we'll keep moving on. We're moving on. Keep moving on. Life, hope, truth, trust, faith, pride, love, lust. On without the things we've lost, the things we've gained we'll take with us. And also I've got up these two hands to make myself a better man. I wonder if I'll ever see the end of this. With all this rain it just keeps falling on my head, and now I'm calling out to someone else to help me make it through. Not everybody knows that everybody goes to a better place, and not everybody knows that